In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automations in a ClickUp space. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a reliable automation that saves time and reduces manual work. First, open the space where you want automations to live. On the right side of your screen, click the lightning bolt icon to open automations. This panel is specific to the space you're in, so everything you create here will apply to that space or to the locations you choose inside it. Next, choose to create a new rule by clicking Create Automation or Add Automation depending on what you see. If you want to review or reuse existing rules, click Manage Automations to see a complete list of what's already set up. Before building, it helps to understand the structure. Every automation follows the same pattern: a trigger that starts the rule, a source that tells ClickUp where to look, optional conditions that act like if filters, and actions that define what happens next. Think of it as when, where, if, then. Set your trigger by choosing what event kicks things off. A simple example is task is created, which runs the rule every time a new task appears. You can also use options like task status changes or date field is changed if that fits your workflow better. After that, set the source. Decide whether the rule watches the entire space, a specific folder, a specific list, or a particular task group. Choosing the smallest scope that fits your goal keeps automations precise and easier to troubleshoot. If needed, add a condition. For instance, choose assignee is and select yourself or a teammate. Now the rule only runs when the task is created and assigned to that person. If the condition isn't met, the automation is skipped automatically. For the action, pick what you want to happen. A common choice is move task to list, then select the destination list. If you want to keep the original and also have a copy in the new list, enable the option to move and keep a copy. You can stack more conditions to narrow it down further, like only running when priority is urgent or status is approved. All conditions must be true for the rule to fire. Give your automation a clear name and optional description. Review the preview sentence at the bottom, then click Create or Save to activate it. From there, you can toggle it on or off, edit, duplicate, or delete it, and even monitor when it was created and how often it runs. Other use cases follow the same pattern. Auto-assign based on status, change status on a date, create subtasks on task creation, or tag and prioritize by fields. Note that actions like sending emails may require a paid subscription. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.